There's only one answer. It's ecstatic. It is energizing, and it is momentous, and it is a huge, huge moment. My name is Jamila Gilbert, and I'm a Unity 25 mission specialist with Virgin Galactic. I'm an Aggie, and I'm going to space. So I've been counting down the days, and it's actually today been released that I'm going to be flying to space next week. It is a tremendous honor and a privilege to be one of the first 100 women to fly to space, but I'm also one of 16 Hispanic and Latinx people that have ever traveled to space, and also one of very, very few non-technical backgrounded people. So all of that, it is a shift in the way that spaceflight is going to be in the future, and it's a marked shift. And I'm really proud to get to experience that and be a part of history in this moment where commercial space travel is going to be a reality. And that is a tremendous, tremendous honor. We stand on the shoulders of giants. We are not getting anywhere by ourselves. We are building off collective success, collective knowledge, and getting there together. You're not launching from the ground, you're doing an air launch. So you're actually climbing to altitude. Our mothership then drops us, and then the rocket motor ignites and we go to space. So the actual departure is much, much more comfortable than if you were departing from ground level. I'm looking forward to every moment of the flight, but I'm looking forward to that moment because I can imagine what that must feel like. And then you hit the rocket ride, and then you're in space, and then you can unstrap if you would like and float around the cabin freely. You can pull yourself to the windows, you can look out, you can gaze at Earth, and that is going to be a really incredible moment to look out and also just see home, and not home as in the street I grew up on, or southern New Mexico, or the southern part of the United States, the borderlands region, none of that, but just the planet that we have all been born on, the only place that we have, and it's our home, and I am beyond belief just excited to see that and experience that. I can say that maybe not all roads lead to space travel, but what I started in, it has nothing to do with human spaceflight, and here we are. So don't put yourself in a box, don't put yourself in a bubble, answer every call that ignites the spirit. Really just go for it and give it a go, give it a shot. And what college really does teach you is to be accountable, it's to hit your deadlines, it's to show up. It's so valuable, and you can take that with you anywhere.